All right. So this one, this one is on the record now. All right. Guys, I want y'all to take a look at Drea, right? So Drea just joined my challenge. This is day 2, and Drea got all negative items cleaned off of her credit, right? So you don't believe me? All right, here's the clip, right? So this is the clip of Drea telling you guys. And remember, I don't know Drea from a nail in the wall. She just joined my challenge. Let's hear what she got to say about what happened on day 2 of the challenge, right? All right, so boom, that's Drea's part going right there. Listen, you can get these same results. All I need from you is commitment. That's it. All I need from you is commitment. So if you are sick and tired of saying, I'm going to fix my credit next week, I'm going to go fix my credit tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. You've been saying it now for years. When are you going to make a change? When are you going to be accountable? When are you going to take your power back? You see, anything can be deleted from your credit with consumer law. Anything. The question is, are you willing to make the step? What I want you guys to do right now is text the word challenge. If you're sick and tired of bad credit holding you back, text the word challenge. Now, when we talk about social media, guys, everybody and their mama is on social media. All you need to do is make the content. Then you have strategies, the why and the when to do. So being on the podcast, when I'm going to drop my offer, what they need to do. So I'm going to drop this offer. I'm going to tell them to text whatever keyword I'm using to 917-993-5238, right? Principles, how it works. Well, what I've learned from all my mentors is when you identify your avatar, when you connect your message with your avatar, when you make the offer to your avatar will buy. That's a principle. If it goes up, it goes down. I throw my AirPods up, it's gonna fall. Gravity, that's principle, right? Principles work the same all the time, right? And then we go into essence of the why it works. The why it works is because people have problems. That's point blank. Like, people have problems and they cannot solve the problems themselves. Some people need mentorship. Some people only need to be told what to do. Some people needs coaching. So whatever the why is, we need to identify and solve that equation. When we solve people's problems, we get paid a lot of money. A lot. Like, what could an extra $100,000 do for you right now? Think about it. Like, what would you do right now if you came into possession of an extra $100,000? Like, what would you do? So use this as a motivation to make your life, your family's life better, because you have the capabilities to do it. So once we understand the lead generation offer, now we're able to use all of that to bring leads into our pipeline. So I created curiosity, I aggravated their pain point, and I made an offer. Now my offer leads to what? My opt-in page, right? Why do people opt in? Well, they opt in for many different reasons. They know they have a painful problem. They believe you have a powerful solution because of the way I presented myself, because of the way I spoke. And they believe that I have their solution. What people opt in for? Well, people opt in the lead magnet or the ethical bribe, right? So it could be a report, an ebook, a script, a calendar, a system, a list, a formula, right? A lead magnet could be 3 steps or 10 steps to the leading inquiries, right? So you will provide that to someone in exchange for their information. A buyer is a buyer is a buyer. And people that buy from you once, they will buy from you again, right? So the lead magnet and the video lead magnet is very, very effective. So being on the podcast, making an offer, showing people how you can solve their problem, and then giving them the opportunity to work with you, right? Our job is to overwhelm you guys with awesomeness, right? I'm here to teach you something valuable. I'm here to inspire you with something hopeful, to empower you with something useful, things that you can use to make your life better. So this is your homework, right? I want you guys to take a screenshot of this. It's going to be inside the Facebook group, but I need you guys to take a picture of your homework. So you're going to post a complete avatar worksheet, post a list of OPP and OPA, other people's platform, other people's audience that you are thinking you're going to go on to generate leads. Post a video testimonial from day one. Yes, I definitely want you guys to post a video testimonial. Nick, could you drop the link for testimonial.io so we can have it in the group, so everyone could give back their testimonial from day one. Create an opt-in funnel. That's a little bit advanced, but I'll get into that. Sell phrases that sell, exactly what to say. So that pretty much wraps up that part. Now let's move on to the second thing. But this is the design of the new book. I wanted to show as much of you guys as possible. So let's talk about lead conversion, right? What is lead conversion? Yes, earlier we spoke about what? Lead generation. What is lead conversion? See, content messaging brings in leads and gets them excited. So when you bring the leads in, what's the next step? Well, the next step is, what is the next step? That's the first question. Let me not get ahead of myself. How do you capture those leads? And what system, tools, and frameworks do you have to capture them? So when we talk about leads, these are the people that are coming in. Oh my God, Trey, I saw your interview. I want to know how to delete repos. Unique, I saw you deleting student loans. I have so many student loans. I need them deleted, right? When we get our leads ready to come into our ecosystem, what's the next step? When they come in, do you have an opt-in page or a squeeze page? Do you have a website? Do you have a landing page? Do you have funnels? Do you have a text number? Do you have an email campaign? Do you have SMS campaign? Do you have automations? How many people in here get emails from me at least 3 times a week? How many people in here get emails from me at least 3 times a week? Damn, some people say 3 times a day.
Who said that? Only if you're new.
3 times a day. So everything, right? Everything that is going on with me, I am letting you guys know. And guess what? Maybe I say something yesterday, but you didn't have the opportunity to get it. But then you forgot about it. And today or tomorrow, I send you an email and you're like, oh my God, Dwayne's book is out now. Let me go get it. What if I don't be sending those emails and remind you that, hey, I got something that you can use not only to help yourself, but to help your family? Remember, guys, the offer you don't make is the offer they cannot take. The offer you don't make is the offer they cannot take. All right? All right, so let me explain now the tripwires. Some people call them tripwires or free mini courses or ebooks in exchange for opt-in information. So by making more offers, you're able to convert more leads, right? So the more offers you make, the more leads you can convert. So an example would be, all right, let's say you are doing 100 leads per day, right? And you're converting at 10%. That means you're only converting what? 10 people. They're only converting 10 people a day at $997, right? Well, what if you changed one thing in your business? So 10 people times 997 is what? When you multiply 10 by 997, what do you get, guys? Social media marketing. Social media marketing is the use of social networks. Is the use of social networks in order to market a company's products, such as through Facebook, Instagram ads, using influencers, or otherwise building a presence online to engage with customers. The bottom line, social media has taken the world by storm, capturing more than 3.8 billion users worldwide and counted. Whether or not each platform resonates with you personally, it doesn't matter. People is on there. Go make some money. What is the strategy? Strategy, a plan of action or policy designed to achieve a major overall aim. Time to develop a coherent economic strategy. If tactics determine what to do, strategy determines when and why to do it. Strategy without tactics is the slowest road to victory. Tactics without strategy are the noise before defeat. This is from Shen Tzu, the guy that did 48 Laws of Power. People buy because they feel like it. Guys, people will tell you all kind of stuff. People only buy for one reason, because they feel like buying it. That's it. Yet their alignment. This is why you got to go through the avatar worksheet. Get their alignment, discover their reasons. Why do people have bad credit? Why did they have delayed payment? Why is there a collection? It doesn't matter. What matters is what they want to do. We don't care why they have a collection or why they have a charge off or why they have a bankruptcy. It doesn't matter. What matters is, can you get it deleted? The answer to that is yes. Using consumer laws, we are able to delete any account from the credit report. That's what they want to know, and that's what we're going to do. And in doing that, we are going to make a lot of money. Get them to agree to communicate and participate and ask questions. So this part is what we're doing right now. You see how we are lecturing, we're teaching, but at the same time, we are interacting. I'm asking questions, you're answering, you're giving me solutions, ideas, answers. So you make learning an interactive experience. So guess what? We all are included, right? Question what they think are answers and answer what they think are questions. My goal is to get them to doubt their beliefs. What does that mean? A lot of people thought that because of bad credit, that is the end for them. A lot of people thought because they've had a collection since 2014, 15, 16, that it's not going to go away. A lot of people think that because they filed for bankruptcy last year, they have to wait 10 years to get those bankruptcies deleted. Guys, we know that is not true. Yes? We know that you can delete anything from the credit report. People don't know what we know. They think they have to wait 7 years for a charge-off to fall off. They think they have to pay collections. They think they have to send in a goodwill letter to get a late payment removed. They think they have to beg somebody to remove and delete a late payment.